Hello guys, welcome to our group presentation. So this is our application, Bushmen of Namibia. So this is the first page that appears when you run the application. So on this page you have one button, this white thing here. This is the button. So when you click on this button, it takes you to the next page. So we are going to see where it's gonna take us. Let us click on the button. Okay. Welcome. And you'll be greeted with that sound. Now on this page, this is our menu page. So on this page we have 5 shortcut buttons, and these buttons link us to different pages in the application. So on the bottom of this page we have 2 buttons. So exit, next. The exit makes you quit. Okay, quits the application. Next takes you to the next page. Okay, so we are going to see what will happen when we click on the history button. Okay, you will have history here and the 3 buttons here and this picture here. Okay, you look at the nice picture, and when you are done you have 3 things to do. Either you go back, you go to the menu, or you go next. Now in this case the back button is going to take us to the menu page because that's the only page which is behind, which is before this page. So it's going to take you to the previous page. This menu does the same. It's going to take you to the menu page. So the next button is going to take you to the next page. Okay, so let's click on next. So it's going to take you to the page of the map. This is the southern part of Africa. So this page cannot be accessed directly from the menu page because we do not have a button for this. So you access it through the history by clicking next. Okay, so however you can still go back to the menu by clicking on this one or by clicking on this one. So we are going to click next, and you have a brief history about the Bushmen. So you can read all this blah 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 blah. So when you are done, you still have the same options that you had on the previous page. 3 buttons. Either you go back, you go to the menu, or you navigate to the next page. Okay, so we are going to go back to the menu. So on this menu, let us see what we have on the clothing. And on the clothing, this is the page that appears. So you have the pictures, 2 pictures here, and you have the same style of button layout here. 3 buttons. Either you go back, or you go to the menu, or you go to the next page. So that's what we have here. So let us click next and see what we have. So on the next page we have the female clothing. This is what these guys wear, and you have some text here. Okay, so you click next, you have some male clothing, some text here, just a description of the kind of clothes, and that's it. So let us go back to the menu page. Now let us see what we have in the activities. So you'll be presented with this kind of things. These are pictures of Bushmen. Okay, so when you click next, you have the brief description of the activities that these guys are doing. So let's go back to the menu again. So about us takes us to this page. So this is the page of the developers. These 4 guys here, these are the developers of the application. So you still have 3 buttons. So this is an exit button as well. So realize that we have an exit button at the menu, and an exit button on this page. So this button does exactly the same thing as the button on the menu page. It quits the application. Okay, we're going to click it and see what will happen. Okay, and it closes the application. So we have come to the end of our presentation. Thank you very much.